Fix a paper jam for the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, and 7600 printer series. If your printer stops feeding pages, or an E3 or E4 paper jam error displays on the control panel, follow these steps to clear the paper jam. Step 1. Clear jammed paper. First, check the input tray for jams. Remove all paper from the input tray. Remove the input tray. Remove the output tray. Reach inside the gap where the trays were, and then pull out the duplexer plate. Remove any jammed paper. Reinsert the duplexer plate. Reinsert the output tray. Reinsert the input tray. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. If the error is still occurring, try clearing jammed paper from inside the printer. Lift the ink access door. Remove any jammed paper. Close the ink access door. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. If the error is still occurring, try clearing jammed paper from the rear of the printer. Open the rear door of the printer. Remove any jammed paper. Close the rear door. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers using an automated tool. If the paper jam persists, proceed with this step. Turn off the printer. Remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Press and hold the power button, press the color copy button 3 times and the black copy button 7 times, and then release the power button. The printer turns on and cleans the paper path rollers. Wait until the printer is idle and silent. Step 3. Clean the REDI sensor and rear rollers. If the paper jam persists, proceed with this step. First, gather the following materials: a lint-free cloth or long cotton swab, and distilled or filtered water. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cables. Open the rear door to access the internal rollers. If needed, use a flashlight to view into the rear of the printer. Dampen the cloth or swab with the water. Strain any excess water. Gently press the cloth or swab against the base of the rear opening. Swipe from the center to the left to clean the surface of the REDI sensor. Apply light pressure to remove dust or dirt buildup from the rear rollers. Be gentle to avoid damaging the rollers. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the rollers to dry. Close the rear door. Reconnect the power cord. Power on the printer. Step 4. Reset the printer. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer on.